अजून येणार आहे, मीडिया येणार अजून.
मैम या मैम थैंक यू. बाबा ये देखो आगे जो पीछे दादा.
Yeah, will you just come here, please? Yeah, please.
Just one. Please come.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, here center.
Storage center. Ma'am, both are left.
What's left, ma'am?
Ma'am, can you center?
Ma'am, all of you here.
Right side, ma'am.
Ma'am, here. Ma'am, एक solo.
Ma'am, एक single. Storage please.
Ma'am, एक single.
Storage center.
Ma'am, center.
Center.
ऐश्वर्या जी लेफ्ट साइड.
Storage center.
एक मिनट.
अरे यार.
Yeah, please. Ma'am, here center.
मैम, ऐश्वर्या जी नहीं मिला है. नहीं मिला है.
नहीं हुआ है. सेंटर नहीं किया प्लीज.
इधर भी नहीं देखा मैडम.
ऐश्वर्या जी सेंटर. थैंक यू मैम.
सुप्रभात. जमनाबाई के आंगन में नरसी मौजी के स्तर पर उपस्थित सभी लोगों का हम यहाँ हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं. आज की प्रमुख अतिथि लोकप्रिय अभिनेत्री श्रीमती ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन का हम अपने माननीय मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी श्री जयराज भक्कर, श्रीमती उर्वशी भक्कर, ट्रस्टी श्री की ओर से हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं. साथ ही स्वागत है जमनाबाई नर्सरी स्कूल की प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमती जीनत ओझा बॉय, हेड ऑफ जमनाबाई नर्सरी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल श्रीमती जैस्मिन मधानी, सभी कोर टीम मेंबर्स, एडवाइजरी कमेटी मेंबर्स, स्कूल कमेटी मेंबर्स, इन सभी का हम आज यहाँ हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं. आज के इस 17वें खेल दिवस में यहाँ उपस्थित सभी लोगों का हम ट्रस्ट परिवार और जमनाबाई परिवार की ओर से हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं.
बात करते हैं नेचुरल.
तैयार हो जाएं.
इधर डालने.
Once again requesting the schools, we are starting with the march past competition. If you are not reported, be a pass part, you will not be a part of the march past competition.
सभी विद्यालयों से निवेदन है, कृपया मार्च पास के लिए मैदान में आ जाएं.
ये विकी जरा पाठी है ना. ये काय निके. अरे आडवा तेच करे. 2 मिनिट. मेरे बीच में ज्यादा बैठना बीच में जाने
So friends, from the short while from now, we're going to start the inter-school march past competition. And with us, Mrs. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. She also been a leading actress in the Bollywood in the cinema. So she will be taking the salute for the 49th school marching for today's morning inter-school march past in the two categories that will be hearing impaired and for the intellectual children. Requesting our chief guest, requesting the march past judges
पीछे जा बच्चों को आगे आने
to kindly take up their positions.
आप भी पीछे आ जाओ तो आप लोग ही सब आगे खड़े हैं
उपस्थित सभी लोगों से अनुरोध है कि जोरदार तालियों से इस 49 पाठशालाओं का अभिनंदन।
विश्वांगे, विश, सोलंगे, सो, हाँ, एक साथ, जगहों पे, कदम, ताल। So we are starting with the inter-school march past competition. Starting with the march past, leading right in front is Kate Shruti School from Juhu. Marching towards the saluting base. The school from June, the chief guest, recipient of the Padma Shri Award, Mrs. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Marching smartly in the great tracksuit, approaching to the saluting base is Kate Shruti School from Juhu. Next in the list, in the HI section, marching toward the saluting base, is the school from Malad, Koshish Special School. Come on friends, give them a very big hand. Smartly marching toward the saluting base, is the school from Malad is Koshish Special School. Next in the list, in the inter-school march past competition for the HI category, is Disha Karmabadir School. That is Disha Karmabadir School. Next in the list, marching toward the saluting base, is Utkarsh Mandal Mukdamini Vidyalay. That is Utkarsh Mandal Mukdamini Vidyalay is from Vile Parle. That is the Utkarsh School. Vishu, next. Marching Next in the list, Academy. That is Rotary Sanskardam Academy, the winner of the last year March Past competition. Aishwarya Bachchan. She also been a Miss India in 1994. Noting to the chief judges for the March Past, we're going to start with the MR category now, that is the intellectual children. Kindly note, we have two category participating for the today's competition. It is the winner of the last year for the inter-school March Past competition. That is VD Indian Society. It's also been a champion school for winning the athletic trophy for this competition. That is VD Indian Society, Vasaribai Dagra Navnirman School from Malad. And taking the salute is a leading actress from the Bollywood, is Mrs. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Next in the list, in the intellectual category, is athlete of Navi Mumbai, that is Ashray Special School.
आगे मत जा फिलहाल पीछे आ जा शूट करने का है बैठ के
That was a command for Daini Day. The school marching next after the Ashray Special School is Arushi, the Learning Center from Juhu. That's the Arushi Special School. Conference, give a very big hand to the school from Juhu, is Arushi Special School. Come on friends, that's Arushi Special School from Juhu. Marching towards the saluting base. A school from Juhu. That's the salute to our chief guest. Next in the list, in the intellectual children, the school from Mahim is Canossa Special School. That's Canossa Special School. That is Canossa Special School, marching to the saluting place. And taking the salute is Mrs. Aishwarya Bachchan. After Canossa School, the school marching in to the saluting base is Meera Vidyalaya. That's Meera Vidyalaya School.
जोरदार तालियों से इन सैनिकों का अभिनंदन कीजिए।
That's Meera Vidyalaya School. Marching toward the saluting base is MTCH Home, Mankur. Friends, the children coming all the way from Mankur. And it's going to be a good competition this year. MTCH Home participating for the first time in this competition, saluting to our chief guest. After MTCH Home, Mankur, the next in the list in the MR category for the intellectual children is Infant Jesus School from Ghatkupar. That is Infant Jesus School, marching to the saluting base. So that is Infant Judges School. From Ghatkopar, approaching to the saluting base. Next in the list, in the inter-school march past competition for the intellectual children, is the school approaching toward the saluting base is the school from Villeparle, Kalandin Special School. That is 13 William Carey, and the second judge is Mr. Alex Fernandez, who has been the Director for Sports for the St. Xavier's High School with the experience of 40 years. A very big hand to this gentleman, Mr. Alex Fernandez. Next in the list, marching to the saluting base, is the school from Khar, Lions Juice Center. That is the number 14 on your list. That is Lions Juice Center. The children coming from Khar. So next in the list, marching to the saluting base, is the school from Goregaon, is Punarvas Special School. It is one of the strongest competition for the athletic trophy for today's competition. Is Punarvas Special School. Approaching to the saluting base. That was a good command by the commander of flag bearer. After Punarvas, the school marching toward the saluting base is the school from Kandivali, is Sadafuli Special School. Marching towards the saluting base and approaching towards the chief guest is SPJ Sadhna School from Peddle Road. That is SPJ Sadhna, tipping the flag with the respect of the chief guest, Mrs. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. After SPJ Sadhna, the next school participating in the inter-school march past competition, school from Meera Road, Santosh Institute. School from Meera Road. Next in the list, in the intellectual children inter-school march past competition, the school from Goregaon East is Sashi Mangalam. I think my friend has dipped the flag on the wrong direction. That is Sashi Mangalam School. Come on friends, get your hands together for Sashi Mangalam School from Goregaon East. Next in the list, participating in inter-school march past competition for intellectual children, the school from Andheri is Sishu Kalyan Kendra. One of the strongest competitors for the judges. That was the command. Just calling the attention of the march past judges, we have this school from HI category, school number 9 from HI category, coming behind Save the Children. Marching toward the saluting base, we have one school left behind from the hearing impaired category, with the school from Bandra is Save the Children. Marching smartly. The dog marching to the saluting base. Friends, to his chief guest for our inter-school competition is Mrs. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, with the leading actress in the Bollywood and also the recipient of the Padma Shri Award. And she has been the Miss India in 1994. Let's hear it for our chief guest once again. जोरदार ताली हो जाए अपने chief guest के लिए. Next in the list, marching toward the saluting base, is the school from Santa Cruz, is St. Teresa Convent. That is the school from Santa Cruz, the St. Teresa Convent. Approaching to the saluting base, dipping the flag with respect to the chief guest, Mrs. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Next in the list, marching toward the saluting base, is Sarvodaya Trust. Friends, the school comes from Nala Sopara. Come on, very big hand to this gentleman. That's Sarvodaya Trust, the school from Nala Sopara. Next in the list, marching toward the saluting base, is the Nashio Vocational Training Center. Nashio Vocational Training Center coming from Chembur with a small contingent of 10 children marching toward the saluting base. That's the number 31 for the judges. School number 13-1 in intellectual category. Next in the list, marching toward the saluting base, is the all little champion coming from Ghatkup. That is Gurukul Special School from Ghatkupa. Next in the list, marching to the saluting base in the inter-school march past competition for the intellectual children, is Holy Cross Convent School, Thane. The school number 33 for the judges, Holy Cross Convent School from Thane. Just calling the attention for the judges. Now, school number 11 will be marching. School number 11. Next in the list, marching toward the saluting base, is the school from Shivri, Jai Vakil Special School. School number 11 for the judges, school number 11 for the MR category. That is Jai Vakil Special School. It's the strongest country. China, South Africa, in past. Next in the list, marching to the saluting base, is the school from Bandra East, Save the Children. It's the school number 22 in MR category. School number 22. So friends, get your hands together for the school committee base. The school from Bandra is Save the Children. And we're taking the salute. Is the leading actress from the Bollywood, is Mrs. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, who also been a recipient of the Padma Shri Award and been the Miss India in 1994 contest. Next in the list, marching toward the saluting base, is Anza Special School. Anza Special School from Baikhada. The school number 4 for the judges, school number 4 for the MR category, that is Ansa Special School, awarded as a Miss World in 1994. Come on friends, get your hand together for the Jamnabai School Band. Come on, a round of applause to the band children from the hosting school. That's Jamnabai Nursery School. Thank you very much children, thank you.
इसके बाद सबको
That's Jamnabai Nursery School band students. Friends, once again, request you to guys put your hands together for this, all the students. And a big round of applause to all the March Past competitors.
सभी से निवेदन है जिस जोश और लगन के साथ और भी आवश्यक है, एक बार इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं।
Requesting Ms. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Requesting Mrs. Bachchan to kindly get back to the seat. Thank you very much, ma'am.
धन्यवाद ऐश्वर्या जी। मैदान में पधारी सीनियर एडवाइजर श्रीमती जोसेफिन वास, न्या टीम के सदस्यों का हम अभिनंदन करते हैं। साथियों, किसी भी कार्यक्रम का आयोजन अपने साथ कई दायित्वों को समेटे रहता है। पाठशाला की दायित्व स्वागत करें।
A very pleasant morning to each one of you present here today. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Srimati Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Managing Trustee, Shri Jairaj Thakkar, Trustee, Srimati Urvashi Thakkar, Trustee, Shri Sujay Jairaj, our Senior Advisor, invited dignitaries, teachers, children, parents, and the JNS and the JNIS core teams. Children and teachers from various special 150 special students from 49 schools in this mega event. The brainchild of Trustee Srimati Urvashi Thakkar, this event symbolizes the resilience of spirit and was first rolled out in 2002. Inspiring force behind this enriching experience that the Narsi Monji Educational Trust provides for differently abled children. It is her compassionate nature that pulls such a large gathering at this event year after year. A big hand for the Narsi Monji Educational Trust. A big round for them. Trustee Shri Sujay Jairaj has put his heart and soul in bringing this wonderful environment for all of us. A loud hand for him. This event would not be a grand success without the untiring support of the teachers who bring their students to participate in this sports meet. Their dedicated service makes them the angels.
और उर्वशी बेन से निवेदन है कि वे उपहार देकर उनका सम्मान करें और उपस्थित सदस्यों से अनुरोध है कि करतल ध्वनि से उनका अभिनंदन करें। तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के साथ यदि वातावरण बना रहे तो ये खुशनुमा हो जाएगा। हर आयोजन मुखिया के लगन तथा उत्साह का प्रतिरूप होता है। यह हमारा सौभाग्य है कि हमारे मुखिया के रूप में
Madam, we really appreciate our board of trustees, members of staff, invited guests, member of PTA, and all my young friends. You all and our Jamnabai kids also. All the best to all of you. I am very happy कि आप जो है देख रहे हैं ये प्लेग्राउंड लस ग्रीन, कई स्कूलें पहले भी यहाँ आई हुई हैं, बट शायद ये आपने नहीं देखा था ना। ये हमने जो किया है उसका ओपनिंग अभी 11 दिसंबर को अभिषेक जी बच्चन और उनकी स्टार टीम वर्सेस जमनाबाई स्टार्स have played a football game and it was a wonderful match and that was the opening on 11th of December. Today, आज आप लोग सब हमारे साथ हैं, इतने बच्चे आए हुए हैं, जैसे मैंने सुना 1200, ऑलमोस्ट 1250, मानपुर, नालासोपारा और कहीं से, और मैं समझता हूँ कि आप कितने बजे सुबह उठे होंगे। आजकल तो ठंड भी अच्छा है, तो आप उठ के सुबह यहाँ पहुंच गए and you look so fresh, really you look so fresh and I am sure you will have a great time. आपके पीछे जो आप देख रहे हो, आप बाद में देखोगे, जो ब्लू रनिंग ट्रैक, ब्लू 100 मीटर्स का एक रनिंग ट्रैक हुआ है, इसका ओपनिंग आज आप लोग से हो रहा है हमारा। इट इज रेडी जस्ट यस्टरडे, तो वी आर वेरी हैप्पी कि आप लोग इसका उद्घाटन करेंगे और बाद में हमारे बच्चे और पूरे सोसाइटी के बच्चे यहाँ खेलेंगे। तो once again I welcome all of you. I once again thank all our staff members, all our council members, all our parents, and I really thank all the parents who have come with you all and the teachers and their dedicated services toward you all. Thank you very much. And lastly, not but least, our band. They have done a lot of exercise in the morning. All the best to our band also, and all the best to all of you.
धन्यवाद श्री जयराज ठक्कर जी। मुंबई प्राप्त करें।
फोन बंद कर।
नमस्कार। Good morning, everybody. My God, you all are completely making this a really good morning with your smiles, with your warmth, with your enthusiasm. And thank you so much for brightening up today for every one of us here on the field with your excellent marching during the March Past. I have never enjoyed saluting as much as today. Thank you so much for such a beautiful experience this morning. And a loud and heartfelt thank you to all the teachers, all who have trained with you, and all who have made this wonderful morning possible today, and especially to the band. God bless you, and a huge round of applause to all of you. Jayraj ji, Urvashi ji, Sujoy, Meenal, Miss Vaz, Miss Seenat. I don't know all the teachers' names, but thank you. Ma'am, on the mic, you're very generous with your words. Thank you so much. It's very overwhelming, the very warm welcome and the kind words. Thank you so much. I am so glad I accepted coming here today and joining you all this morning at this very, very special meet. It is special because you all make it special, and not for any other reason but that. It's all your spirit, your enthusiasm to participate. 17th year to have started in 2002 with your brainchild. Ma'am, I think it's just such a wonderful idea, and thanks to that we all get to actually experience something as amazing as this. And these beautiful children get to participate and realize their potential, realize their dreams, and more than anything else, forge friendships that sports encourages you to actually experience and bring together in terms of team spirit
teamwork and the sportsman spirit, by far the greatest gift that you all can give to yourself by participating in sports meets like these. So once more, God bless every one of you here, all the parents and all the children who have gotten up so early in the morning and come here with your fresh, bright smiles to participate today. I believe every one of us here standing, every one of you behind these cameras, every parent here, everyone here on the dais, you have been kind enough to give me this little podium to stand on, all the teachers, and all you children. We are all differently abled because we all have different abilities, different gifts, but we have the blessing to realize our potential with our want to go forth, participate and make or go for it. That is by far the best medal we all can give to ourselves and we all can experience. So kudos to all the participants at this meet. God bless you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance, and have a wonderful meet. And Sujoy just told me something so amazing, that the running track, today every one of you children are going to make that special from today onwards till Kingdom Come, till time immemorial, because today is the first day that your feet are going to run on that track. Congratulations, God bless, and here's your great beginning. Lots and lots of love. Thank you for having me here.
उपस्थित सभी की ओर से तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देते हुए मैं मिस्टर विलियम कैरी, मिस्टर सिरिल डिसूजा से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे आज के स्पोर्ट्स मीट का आरंभ करने के लिए अतिथि को मैदान के बीच लेकर आए और उन्हें गुब्बारे प्रदान करें।
I declare the Narsi Monchi Educational Trust Inter-School Athletic Meet for Special Schools open.
धन्यवाद ऐश्वर्या ऐसी शक्ति को सदा ही बढ़ाते रहना, खेल के संग संग स्वस्थ तन मन ले जन जीवन को महकाते रहना।
It has been an Olympic culture to start with the competition with a torch run. So the leading athlete from the special school and from the Jamnabai school will be joining. We have Priya Gada from VD Inter Society, who was selected for the International Special Olympics competition for the roller skating, which was held in US. We also have Miraj Sheikh from the Save the Children, the best player of the International World Winter Game floorball in Australia, winning the gold medal. Ankit Mistry from Rotary Sanskardam School, winner of the gold medal in the 200 and the 400 meters. We have Mukund Lada from Rotary Sanskardam School, winner the gold medal and represented India in the Karate World Cup at Japan. And of special schools pledge that we will take part in this athletic meet in loyal competition
respecting the rules
which
govern it, in the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the honor of our school
and for the glory
of sport.
Thank you children. That was fantastic. The top athlete from the special school taking the oath on behalf of all the athletes.
मार्च पास्ट के बच्चों से निवेदन है
यस बोलो नाम या
Requesting all the officials to kindly report. Officials kindly report to the announcer. All the officials kindly report to the announcer, please.
Pratik is followed by Vinesh Amlia. Vinesh is performing the inverted hand position, the legs up and the head down, just on the palm grip. Lovely. Malcolm developed the courage, confidence and coordination. The third exercise by Vinayak Thakare. Active sense of balance, confidence, courage, coordination, the flexibility and elasticity of the body. Kneeling position and the lotus. Padmasana.
Monkey hold.